Hello everyone, myself Sheikh Muhammad Nasir. Currently I am pursuing BTech second year in CSM department at Srinivasa Ramanujan Institute of Technology. So today I am going to explain you about introduction and hierarchy of standard exception classes in OOPS in object-oriented programming through Java. Let's get started. Standard exception classes, introduction and hierarchy overview. Explore the importance of exception handling in programming, focusing on standard exception classes and their hierarchy. Exploring the essential of exception handling. Definition of the exception handling. Exception handling is a process of managing errors in programming to prevent crashes. The importance of exception handling. It ensures application runs smoothly by managing unaccepted situation effectively. Goals of exception handling. The primary goal is to maintain normal application flow despite errors. Anticipating errors. Developers can foresee potential issues and implement handling mechanism. Graceful error management. Allow programs to recover from errors without crashing, providing a better user experience. User feedback. Exception handling provides meaningful feedback to users when errors occur. Runtime errors. These are the errors that occur during program execution necessitating exception handling. Input errors. Handling errors related to user input is crucial for application reliability. Structure of exception class. Understanding standard exception classes and their hierarchy is essential for effective handling. Conclusion of exception handling. Mastering exception handling is vital for creating robust and efficient applications. Standard exception classes overview. Base exception. The root class for all exceptions serving as the highest level of exception. Exception. The base class for most built-in exceptions, providing a standard error handling mechanism. Arithmetic error. Base class for errors related to arithmetic operations such as division by 0. Lookup error. Base class for errors related to lookups such as indexing into a list or dictionary. IO error. Raised when an input or output operation fails, like file handling errors. Hierarchy of exception classes. Base exception. The top level class for all exceptions, serving as the foundation. Exception. The primary class for handling most errors derived from base exception. Lookup error. A base class for exception raised when a lookup fails, including a key error. Arithmetic error. A class representing arithmetic related exceptions like zero division by error. IO error represents input output related exceptions such as file handling errors. Value error raised when a function receives an argument of the right type but inappropriate value. Type error raised when an operation or function is applied to an object of inappropriate type. Understanding built-in exceptions. Zero division by error occurs when attempting to divide by 0, leading to runtime errors. Index errors triggered when accessing an invalid index in a list, common in iteration issues. Key error raised when a non-list existence key is accessed in a dictionary or frequent source of works. Type error handling with a try or except. Utilizing try or except blocks allow graceful management or exceptions like zero division by error. Improving code robustness. Understanding these exceptions helps developers anticipate errors, improving overall code quality. Creating custom exceptions in Rising exception in Python. Rising exceptions. Intentional exceptions rising. Use the rise keyword to signal error conditions. Built-in exception. Rise exception like various value error and type error for specific condition. Custom exception. Create and raise custom exceptions. Control over and error handling. Raising exception allows developers to manage errors scenarios effectively. Resistant applications, IE steady and reliability. Applicate example of value error. Code example: raise value error if value less than 0 to enforce conditions. Real world examples of exception handling. Web development. Frameworks like Flask and Django use exception handling for user errors, data processing application. Graceful handling maintains data integrity, processing errors. Game development manages unexpected error events, ensuring smooth gaming experience. Importance of exception handling. Exception handling is essential for building robust applications that can never recover from errors gracefully. So this is the topic about exception handling, and these are standard exception classes and introduction hierarchy of exception classes. So these are the standard exception classes and the hierarchy of exception classes. So this is the end of the slide. Thank you.